white weather jacket. Grab the steering back.
I don't want to grab the steering.
Growing up, I spent my summers on an island of Hvar, in a town called Starigrad. The house is still in the family and frequented by my auntie, my cousins and nephews every summer. Arriving back after more than 25 years, it brought back lots of happy memories. We also had a king's welcome and would spend days swimming off the back of the boat and nights enjoying a home-cooked meal with family and friends. It was really a perfect summer.
When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I'll be coming home and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
We did get a storm like I've never seen before as well. We knew it was coming, so we stayed on the boat, and glad we did. Once it rolled in, it became evident pretty quickly that our anchor sitting in weed wasn't going to hold. We raised the anchor and motored to the middle of the bay, away from things we can run into.
You need the good bottom. You need to dig into the sands. And we weren't on the sand, we were on grass. And that's why we couldn't dig in. Everyone's doing the same thing, but they're just going up and down, up and down.
Hugo handled himself pretty well. He was very comfortable in 3-meter steep waves crashing over the bow and winds exceeding 45 knots, and as long as we kept him away from things to run into, he was right at home. Zin, not so much. She freaked out a little,
Grab the steering back.
I don't want to grab the steering.
but as the storm passed, the life went back to normal. The rest of the Croatian islands didn't disappoint, and the weather was perfect. If you can get past the prices and the attitude of the Croatian people, this is not a bad place. But be prepared to pay for everything. If they could charge for the wind, they would. Italy was a little disappointment. Not as a country, but as a sailing destination. Brindisi was the highlight. Free dock, good food, and even better gelato. And we thought, how much better can it get? And we quickly found out that it can't. Barely anywhere to anchor, and even when you find a place, you have nowhere to land your dinghy. Almost all beaches are private. A marina under €100 are considered cheap, and Amalfi Coast was a disaster. It was busier than an English channel, and we had better sleep in the middle of the Atlantic than at the Amalfi Coast. If you're going to visit Italy, don't do it with a yacht. We left our yacht in Gaeta and drove back to Amalfi, Naples, Pompeii, and even Rome. Only way to do it. As far as country is concerned, this is a country that offers so much variety and charisma, and every place is unique. We then crossed the Mediterranean Sea to Sardinia and Corsica. Corsica is definitely underrated. Every yachtyst should visit this place. Our last swim was at the end of September in Corsica, just before we crossed to the French Riviera. Looking back, I would say this was the end of summer. I thought we could stretch it more, but no. It started getting cold, but more importantly, the Mediterranean wasn't so timid anymore. Frequent storms, wind exceeding 50 knots was not uncommon. It was time to get out of there. See next episode as we prepare our boat for the Atlantic crossing and rush our way to Gran Canaria for the Ark Rally.